guys, pauwi na kami. Naglalakad kami sa bridge. We are here in Jera, near, Wmart. Yeah, see? Yeah, ang haba ng bridge. Ang haba ng bridge. Oh. Dito kami galing. Dito kami galing sa Wmart. Diba?
Gumagaya talaga yan.
Oh, diba? Pauwi na kami.
Gumagaya talaga.
Ang haba naman ng bridge na to. Oh, diba? Oh. Oh, see, look, it's too much traffic. Oh, it's accident there. Sana all accident there. Oh, accident there. That's why it's traffic. See? Diba? Oh. Ayun, diba? So very, very traffic.
Yes.
Oh.
We are
Hi, Mi! Vlog-vlog natin yan, Mi. Oh. This is there in a clock tower. It's there.
Pasa mo na lang sa
Yeah.
akin.
See, clock tower, so very traffic. Look. See?
It's nice. We are here and
Dera. Dera ba? Vlog-vlog lang ta.
gala-gala.
Oo, rest
Like my
lang
time.
ta. Diba? Ay, nako. Gala din pag may time. Pero tanggal naman stress, hindi yung work-work lagi.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. Diba ang haba ng bridge? Oh. Doon kami galing sa kabila. Oh, tapos punta kami dito. 'Di ba? Ang haba ng nilakaran. Bye-bye na, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you my next vlog. Chores.